Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had a good Wednesday. It's June 2nd. It is a holiday weekend or week and a short summer week, so low volume still. And let's see, I had the dates wrong. Today, full day, tomorrow, half day, and then Friday's closed. So low volume is expected. Here's Eric, SPY day trading's chart on the 30-minute, just grinding up in this tapering yellow channel right here. Very ugly for going long on 0-day options. Nice for selling premium or futures. There's still a couple trades in there today. A bigger range than yesterday, but just a slow grind. I don't know. Didn't paper trade any 0 days, but even if you're trading with good structure and whatever, it's I don't even know if you'd make money. It'd be tough. Maybe a couple little moves here and there, but the morning trade, though, there was a trade this morning. I missed it, but my son actually got it, which was kind of cool. So let's see. Yeah, so he noticed we closed this cup, and actually, yeah. So close the cup, and I charted the gold here, as well as this purple. He does his own charting, but his were pretty similar. And then I have this magenta one up here with this kind of taper. And I noticed on his, he started getting calls on like this candle. And his thinking was, he got the cup, and here's the handle, and it's bouncing on his prior resistance, which turns support, which is that. And then you have a little inverse head and shoulder. So he was a little early on it, but he had conviction and confidence, and it was cool to see. So got some in here, and I was kind of wondering what he was doing actually. Then it came down, I'm like, well, I could be grabbing this liquidity here, but he averaged in and got even more through these two candles, just on the bounce of this resistance. Kind of went through it, but yeah. So here's your inverse head and your shoulder up here, nice liquidity, and VWAP there too. So cup, handle, and so yeah, he had that trade, and that was a nice one. After that, there really wasn't a whole lot. I mean, you're kind of just watching this gold for it to build liquidity and try and trade it. Broke it up here, flipped it to support. Could have gotten in there again, I suppose, but really not nice structure, very, very thin. This big red candle, I don't know if that was news or what, but just designed to trap you. Very trappy, and then it just wedged. Broke the gold, but just kind of grinded above it. And did it here, and turned it into support, but honestly, these trades are not even worth it. Maybe on futures or selling options again. And today, kind of a little trappy because you have your head and shoulders, and then made a little mini head and shoulders, and then it ripped and grabbed to the shoulder, and that ended up being the inverse head. Broke out of ended up being green. So even a flatter, bullish control channel. So broke that to the upside, and he had a little move here. I had puts here, flipped them, stopped out, flipped to calls once we broke that gold. So that was a nice little trade. But yeah, on the small account, we're doing a small account challenge. I am red today, and the account's pretty small now, down to like one contract. It's just too tough. If I don't trade in the first, I don't know, 2 hours, 3 hours, then wait until end of day. End of day is kind of like a lotto. Like, really should be just trading it with profits and scaled down, but yeah. So there I am. I think I'm at 338. Oh, I held those for a while. Yeah, I did. I'm at 338 on this. Let's see. Yeah. So after the head and shoulders, little mini head and shoulders here. Got it on this candle right there. And being that late in the day, they lost half their value by the time I closed them. And that was on the 10-minute move. So at this point, they were already down like 35%, just grinding through here, since they were 519, so in the money, but not like in the money. They were at the money. So I was kind of like, all right, I guess I'll just wait for that 10-minute candle, see if it is a flush, but it didn't. So I slowly tried to jump out of them here, but they're pretty much worthless. I didn't want to completely lotto them to end of day because I didn't think it was going to go anywhere. So I have enough if I want to do a couple single contracts next week or tomorrow potentially. Yeah, tomorrow's a half day, so it's even less time on them. So we'll see. Volume's probably gonna be really light. But yeah, not much for today. And on the more macro, we're at all-time high. We are pinned up at the top of the Bollinger on the daily. This is just what the market wants, for everyone to go home and see their friends and family and talk about this stock market that's so high. And why aren't you buying? Everyone's going to be talking about how they should be buying and how they're going to buy and how they've been buying. And that's what you're going to hear, the frothiness. And probably have some sell-off next week. At least some retracement back to the moving averages. And yeah, hope you guys have a good, well, I guess I'll probably see you tomorrow, but if I don't, have a good Independence Day. Thankful for those that signed our Declaration of Independence, that wrote it, that signed it, implemented it, and we are free. There we are, pinned to the top of the daily. Sub up, like up, comment down. Happy 186 round. See you guys tomorrow or after the long weekend. Have a good one. Peace out.